Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a oil lamp. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. So I decided to draw an oil lamp today. It's because it is the Sri Lankan New Year. So let's get started. And if you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comments below. So there you go, it's very easy to draw, and this is the full color drawing. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments below. And now I put some next videos for you to check out next, including a playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week. And if you have any questions, comments, or if you want me to draw something in the future, let me know in the comments below so I can do that for you, and any other comments as well. So there you go. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye. Have a great day.